Hi, grade 7. How are you doing today? Well, I hope that you are all doing well. Today we are going to start a new unit, Unit 12. That's why I want you to open your student's book, page 86. As usual, we are going to start with reading comprehension and vocabulary. When you open page 86, I want you to look at number 2. Vocabulary. You can see these words that we call keywords, which means the most important words that you have to learn in this unit. We start with the word pitch. This is the pitch, the playground where we play football. Referee. This is the referee. It's the person who says who wins the game and who loses the game. Goal. This is the goal. Court. This is a court. It's also a playground where we play tennis. Net. This is a net. Umpire. This is the umpire. It's same as the referee. So umpire and referee are the same. Racket. This is the racket also that we use in order to play tennis. So these are the keywords. Now let's move to number 3, where we have our reading text. The rules of the game. Pay attention. I'm going to read the text for you. Football and tennis are both very popular sports, and people play them all over the world. What are the rules? Are they the same now as they were when people first played them? 250 million people play football in more than 200 countries. Before 1863, not everyone played the game with the same rules. Some people picked the ball up and ran with it. In 1863, there were new rules, and these rules are used now. Each team has to have 11 players. You play football on a pitch. The pitch has to be about 110 meters long and 90 meters wide. One player in each team has to stand in the goal. This player is the goalkeeper. The goalkeeper can pick the ball up and throw or kick it to the players in his team. Football players have to kick the ball to the other players. They can't touch the ball with their hands. The referee watches the game. He makes sure players follow the rules. People began playing tennis a long time ago. First, they hit the ball with their hands. Then, they used gloves. Finally, they used rackets. The first tennis balls were wooden and then leather. Now, we use rubber balls. You have to play tennis on a court with a net. The court is 23.7 meters long and 12 meters wide. You have to have an umpire. The umpire decides if a player wins a point. You have to hit the ball over the net with a racket. You have to hit the ball inside the lines. You can't throw the ball. So students, I want you to read the text many times. And what you have to do first is to answer this question. Listen and read about the rules of two sports. Which sports are they? So you can write here in this space on the book. I want you to write the names of the two sports that we are talking about here. What are the two sports that we have just read about? You write the answer here on the book with your pencil. When you finish, I want you to, on your student's book, page 87, number 4, I want you to answer the questions about the text on your English copybook. When you finish, I want you to do on the workbook, page 54, number 1, exercise number 1. You can do this exercise on the book, of course with a pencil. Good work, students.